5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me level up.
Hey babes, it's your girl Stebeat and I'm back with another video. And I got so much love from my ribbon cut crease look that I did, the rainbow look, and I see so many other recreations of it. I've been doing so many ribbon cut crease, ribbon graphic liners on my Instagram, on my TikTok, on my Twitter, like all over the place. So I decided to really push myself to do a 7-layered ribbon cut crease.
The way I humbled myself because I only actually did 5, so awkward.
Look, yes, 7 layered. I've done 3, I've done 2, I've done 1, but I'm gonna do 7. So you guys didn't notice, I actually blocked the ends of my brows, and I brought my brows a little bit more higher and more straighter. That way I have more eyelid space to do this ribbon cut crease challenge and to do 7 because I'm extra. I'm going, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, y'all. This is gonna be very interesting. I think I'm gonna do one eye first completely and then recreate on the other side, but I'm stressed. Like, I don't know how this is gonna work out. But another thing I wanted to let you guys know that I am dropping a challenge. Woo! A ribbon cut crease challenge, y'all, and goodies are going to be so lit. So if you want to know more about this challenge and the prizes, make sure you wait to the end of the video to get more details about this ribbon cut crease challenge I'm about to drop. All right, guys. Okay, let me do this one eye. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this 7-layer ribbon cut crease. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, so I did it. It wasn't 7 because I couldn't really fit 7 on my eyelid, but I did 6. I managed to fit 6. I probably could have added a 7 if I like put my eyebrow a little bit higher, but I added 6 colors of the rainbow. So I decided to make the orange and the red like into an ombre ribbon so I can get, you know, both colors in. But y'all, I've had this vision for the past 2 weeks about this rainbow ribbon, actual like ribbon rainbow cut crease, and I did it. So now what we're gonna do is gonna recreate it on this side. I don't know if it's gonna be as symmetrical, but we're going to try it. It was stressful, y'all. It was definitely stressful trying to get it to look like this. So what y'all gonna need is your favorite rainbow palette. I'm gonna be using one of my favorite rainbow palettes, which is the Matte Book by Crayon Case. And then I'm gonna be using some P. Louise bases, the Mitchell Acid Rain collection colors, blank canvas, and a few of the colored ones. And we are going to start this look, okay? So I am stressed. I don't know, part of me wants to pull a Stacey MUA and just do one eye and call it a day, but my nails are not done, so therefore I'm gonna have to just wing it and make sure I can get the second eye looking cute. So okay, let's start with this thing. It's gonna be really stressful, y'all, so okay. Okay, guys, so first we're gonna go in with Mitchell Acid Rain collection, and we're using the color Ibiza. And then we're gonna use my favorite little detail brush, which is the ABH Swish brush, and that's what we're gonna be using. Sketch out the first shape of my ribbon, and you want to make sure you really over exaggerate the ribbon because you need to fit 6 of them on your eyelid. So we need to fit a lot of ribbons. So I'm just kind of just lightly sketching it out like so. So I like to like sketch it out first, and then I like to go over it like that. And then I'm gonna just keep going over it until I get the thickness that I want. I blocked my brows out really well. It's crazy. So yeah, just going to, and it's okay if it's not super perfect because we will fix that. We just want to make sure you got the initial shape. So I'm trying to make sure that I can get the purple up high. This is stressful. So I'm just taking a flat shader brush. I'm just gonna pat the base down a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the purple from the Matte Book collection. Taking this purple from the Matte Book collection. I don't wanna say Matte Book palette. I'm gonna put it on top of that purple. And I'm just tapping on this. It's okay if it looks messy because we will clean around it. I don't know if I'm gonna get this looking symmetrical, but we'll try, I think. We'll try, we'll see how it's gonna look. So then we're gonna take my favorite baby, my Spirit gum remover, to cut my crease with. You guys know I love this. This is amazing. This is my baby. I need to order some more actually because it's actually just sickening. This Spirit gum cut crease. Taking my Q-tip and I'm gonna clean the edges. Oh, clean the edges. And this is gonna help me create my ribbon shape. There you go. See the shape of our first ribbon right there. And I'm just going to use a swish brush again, just to add a little bit more pigment in areas that needed some love. Okay, so just deepen it a little bit, and then I'm going to take some black, your favorite black. The Crayon Case doesn't have a black, so I'm just using a black from another palette. And I'm going to create the curve shape of the ribbon.
So normally you would usually use a darker colored purple or whatever color that you're using for the ribbon, but because this purple is so dark, we're going to start off with black. So you want to make sure you start off really strong with the black, and then gradually you want to start to blend the black into the purple so it has a more ombre effect.
Like that. And then you're going to take the oil and you're clean inside again just to sharpen it back up. So we got our first ribbon down packed, and now we're gonna do 5 more of these. I don't know who told me to do this or why I had to do this. I should have just done one eye, but I always do both eyes, even if they're not symmetrical. It is fine. I'm doing both eyes. So we're gonna go with Acid Rain collection in Nitro. Acid Rain collection in Nitro. This bad boy over here, as you can see. And pretty much we're gonna repeat the exact same step. So we're gonna repeat the exact same step for each color. So I'm just gonna do a cute little, like, you know, play music over this while I create each ribbon. And yeah.
As I'm creating the ribbon, I'll be doing little 1-2 tips. So make sure you don't fast forward it because I'll be dropping some valuable gems, okay?
So let's do it.
If I have to tell you once, there's too many times.
Okay, the blue, I'm demonstrating how to shade properly. So I'm using a darker blue first, and I'm just getting the shape of the curve. And then I'm going to go in with black just to really deepen the curve and create that shadow effect. So you don't want to go in with black right away, especially if the color is lighter. If you can get away with using a darker color first, use the darker color first, and then use black afterwards.
Who deserves some shit, so yeah, so there. And when you are here buying your
It's me again. I'm just taking a bit of concealer just to clean around the edges to make it look more sharp.
have to convince myself there's no one better here. I shouldn't have to go find drugs when you got the drop. You got all this money stashed, so maybe I'll take that. Or maybe I'll just find someone who wants what I got. I'm the one that you need, oh yeah. And I can give you everything, oh yeah. And whatever you need, you just got to mention. And baby, what I just need attention. Attention, yeah, attention. What I just need attention.
If you decide to do a yellow ribbon, I suggest you shade with a brown color. I just feel like it blends a lot better. And then you can use a teensy bit of black, but working with shades of browns definitely helps create more of a shadow for yellow ribbons.
Myself will make me lose my mind, on my mind, but I'm fine. Oh, I'm doing fine. If I get back up and leave, yeah, would you care? You act like I cost more than my nails, if so, who cares? I'm a fucking lady who deserves some shit, so yeah, so there. And when you out here using money, you owe that costs more than your nose, yeah, it's that shit. Shouldn't have to convince myself.
Okay guys, so we pretty much finished the rainbow. So next I'm going to be going in with some J. LaRue pigment in the color white gold. I think I did pretty good getting them even, to be honest. Not bad. So I want it to be a little bit more sharp in the center. So take a bit of concealer and a little brush. Small flat brush. So I'm gonna take this, my AB liquid liner. I'm just gonna line on top of my eyes. I like to use the side of the applicator, kind of just damp it on. Okay, so next we're gonna go into the highlighter, and I'm using You Glow Beach by O Beach Cosmetics, and it's a loose highlighter, and this is their gold loose highlighter. I love this highlighter. Anytime I do a rainbow look, this is like my go-to like gold highlighter because I just love the way it looks, and it goes a long way. It's like super pigmented. I just love this color every time I do anything rainbow. It's my favorite highlighter to use. Push it down a little bit. So next I'm going to be going with the Color Drain and Power Collection blush, and this is Damage Control. I'm obsessed with the colors. This pink color, it is so pretty. Like, I'm actually obsessed. I'm going to be using Crayon Case Coffee Lip Liner. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with Crayon Case Private Party Gloss. It was this pretty glossy pink color. Like so. Ooh. And then we're gonna pop on some lashes. Lash time. So I'm gonna use Flawless Lashes by Shoplady Lashes. Absolutely love this lash because it's so fluffy. The reason why I didn't go with such a thick lash because I want you to see the work. Like, imagine I do like a big crazy ass lash. Ooh, language. Imagine I do a big crazy lash and then you don't see all that work I just did. So you want to do something more wispier, but I do love these lashes because they're really long but they're wispy at the same time. So you still get that drama, like so. So now I'm gonna actually fix my hair, put on my earrings, and then I'm gonna let you guys know about the contest that I'm holding. Okay.
Make me lose my mind, on my mind, but I'm fine. Oh, I'm doing fine. If I get back up in the lead, yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the finished rainbow 7-layered ribbon cut crease. Yeah. Oh my god, this look was actually really stressful. I think I got it pretty symmetrical. Like, I'm pretty impressed with myself. Okay, let me just feel myself for 2 seconds. I did that. I did that. Okay guys, so if you guys made it to the end of this video, it's time to let you guys know about this challenge that I am hosting. So you guys know that I've been doing this ribbon cut crease look for about 2-3 weeks now. I've done so many different versions of it. I absolutely love this technique. I feel like I really perfected it. So I'm hosting a ribbon cut crease challenge, and I'm gonna let you guys know what you need to do and how to enter and what you might win. So the challenge is who can create the best looking, dopest, sickening, larger than life ribbon cut crease look. Okay, so this is how you can enter the challenge. Number 1, you must follow me on Instagram at @itszaybebe. Number 2, you make sure that you use the hashtag ribbon cut crease challenge. And number 3, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see all of your looks. Multiple entries are allowed. I'll be sharing all the looks on my stories and showing my followers how amazing everybody is recreating my ribbon cut crease look. Sky's the limit, y'all. Go hard, go off, like be creative. As you guys seen, I've been really creative with these ribbon cut crease looks, so I want y'all to go hard in the paint, so yeah, like I'm so excited for the brands that helped me with the giveaway. You know, I reached out to some brands reached out to me. I purchased my own things. Who knows, by the end of this contest, like I may add more stuff as I go. So I have the main products, but I am looking to add a lot more to the prize. But yes, also it's international. It is international, so anybody around the world can win. So you guys have up until May 16th to post all your looks, and on May 17th I'll be going on live on my page, and I'm gonna be having some other MUAs, content creators, come on live with me, and we're gonna discuss who we should pick. By then I will probably narrow it down to 5 people, and I'll let my followers and myself pick who we think should win the contest. Some goodies were gifted from brands, and some goodies I purchased with my own money. So some of the goodies are going to include the matte book palette from Crayon Case, which I used to create this look. Also, I'm putting in the Stacey Marie MUA palette, her XL Carnival palette. I'll be putting in 3 pairs of Shoplady Lashes, lip glosses from Stebeat Beauty, glitters from Beauty Bar Cosmetics. And also you'll be winning glosses from my other favorite gloss brand, Winne Beau London. So I'm really excited for this challenge, y'all. I never thought that I would do a challenge like this. I didn't think that this is something I would have done, but I'm really excited to do this. I really do love this technique, and I've been getting so much love and support with this technique, and I just really am excited to see a lot of people recreate it and tag me in it. So I'm like really excited for this. This is gonna be dope. This is gonna be so lit, y'all. Like, I'm so excited to see what y'all gonna create. I also want to give a shout out to Crayon Case. If you guys seeing this, I already went on live with them, but I was able to announce this competition on their live and show their followers the technique, so that way they can enter the challenge as well too. So I'm really excited. Thank you, Crayon Case, for letting me talk about my challenge and my technique on your platform. It really means a lot to me. So y'all, make sure you follow me at @itszaybebe. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Put a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you are down to recreate this look, if you're going to enter, and let me know what you think about this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am Zay Beckford. Bye.